How to make a CV using ChatGPT. I prepared a prompt here. The most important thing here is to tell ChatGPT make a resume for me in LaTeX using an appropriate template, and then enter all of the information that ChatGPT can use to make a CV. Now, while ChatGPT is doing its thing, let's go to overleaf.com where we're gonna sign up with Google. Let's create a new project, blank project, type in whatever. Now let's copy the code that ChatGPT gave us, and let's paste it here. Let's recompile, and there you go. This is your CV. Click this icon right here to export your CV, and it exports it into a PDF file, and there you go. That's how to make a CV using ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.